Dear students, I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. Students, today we will talk about economics. The topic is the story of village Palampur. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the workers from where they come in agricultural activity. There we saw that workers come from small farmers, landless poor household families whose economical condition is not so sound. That's why for livelihood they have to work on farmland. Dear students, today we will talk about the capital arrangement in agricultural activity. Dear students, as we have seen that modern farming requires a great deal of capital. Modern farming needs great capital. Now needs more money than before. It means modern farming needs more money than the traditional farming. So here we will talk first about the small farmers. Where do small farmers arrange capital from? Small farmers have to borrow money from the big farmers, village money lenders, and traders who supply the various inputs for cultivation. They charge very high rate of interest on this loan, on this money. They are put to great distress or stress to repay the loan. Small farmers have to face great distress or stress to repay the loan. By an example given in your text, you can understand it better. For example, Savita is a small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on her 1 hectare of land. Besides seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides, she needs cash to buy water, repair her farm instruments. She estimates about 3,000 rupees expenses on 1 hectare of land for wheat cultivation. She doesn't have the money. So she decides to borrow loan from Tejpal Singh, who is a large farmer of the village. Tejpal Singh agrees to give the loan. Tejpal Singh agrees to give the loan at an interest of 24% for 4 months, which is very high rate of interest. Savita has also to promise. It means Tejpal Singh puts condition before Savita that she would have to work on his farmland during harvesting at the 35 rupees per day's wages. Now, students, you can imagine that she will earn only 35 rupees during harvesting. If good yields she will not get, then how will she pay back loan taken from the Tejpal Singh? As you can tell, this wage is quite low. Savita knows that she will have to work very hard to complete harvesting on her own field and then work as a farm laborer for Tejpal Singh. The harvesting period is very busy period in agriculture. As a mother of 3 children, she has a lot of household responsibilities. We see in our locality also that a lady worker has great responsibilities of the household works as she has many children. Similarly, Savita has also 3 children, so she has a lot of household responsibilities. But Savita has to agree these tough conditions as she knows getting a loan is difficult for a small farmer. Thus we see that small farmers arrange capital from borrowing loan. They borrow loan from the big farmers of the village money lenders, traders who supply the various types of various inputs of agriculture. They charge very high rate of interest on the loan. They put some adverse conditions to the borrowers that large farmers like Tejpal Singh puts condition that labor like Savita will have to work on his farmland during harvesting. She has to pay very high rate of interest like 24% for 4 months. She has 3 children, so she has great responsibilities, household responsibilities. Besides of this, she has to